See, now in this video, you will be learning about few important terms what we'll be using in this chapter. All right. So the first one is magnetic intensity. So magnetic intensity is defined as the ratio of magnetic field to the permeability of the material. Okay. So when we talk about permeability, it's basically the vacuum. So you have H is equal to B naught divided by mu naught. Alright. So the SI unit for magnetic intensity becomes ampere per meter. Alright. So this is one of the definitions which you guys have to remember. Alright. The second one is intensity of magnetization. Alright. It is defined as the magnetic moment developed per unit volume when a magnetic specimen is subjected to the magnetizing field. Okay, so see, understand it's the magnetic moment per volume, correct? So you have I is equal to m divided by v. All right, now the SI unit for this also is ampere per meter. All right, see, sometimes this intensity of magnetization is simply called as magnetization. Okay, just for the simplicity sake. All right, see, this can also be defined in one more way. That is, suppose let's say you have a specimen. Okay, see, you have some specimen and it has a cross-sectional area of A and a length of 2L. Now what will be the volume? It will be cross-sectional area times the length, right? So that's A into 2L. So V is equal to A into 2L. Next, if M is the pole strength of the magnet, then magnetic moment is given by M into 2L. So you have M is equal to M into 2L. Now, if you substitute that back, then you will have I is equal to M by A, correct? Because 2L gets cancelled. So you have I is equal to M divided by A. So intensity of magnetization can also be defined as the pole strength developed per unit area of the specimen. Okay, so let me repeat it again. The intensity of magnetization can also be defined as the pole strength developed per unit cross-sectional area of the magnetic specimen. Okay, so this is about intensity of magnetization. So the next one is magnetic flux. Okay, now this is very similar to electric flux, what you guys have learned. So magnetic flux is, it is defined as the number of field lines that passes through the surface normally. Okay, so you have phi is equal to B ds cos theta. All right, now the SI unit of this is Weber. Okay, fine. So in the next video, you guys learn about few more definitions which are very important.